Other provinces are performing very, very well. Like if you look at Harare, I think it's almost 1 million now. The argument would be, is it that the Harare people are more concerned about governance and election issues more than the Bulawayo people or what? But other provinces are performing very well. You know pretty well that the results of the delimitation voters roll that ended 30 May, it really shows that Matabeleland is the least, and the Matabeleland South is, I think, is the last, followed by Bulawayo, right down there. Martin was a little bit better because it's ranging around 340,000. But then you compare with the Harare, Mashonaland, and Central, and so on. They are doing very well. Then you stand to wonder what's happening down here. Is it a question of abantu abafundiswa or what? But we have been on the ground for quite some time. And even Wakangalama voter education efforts that we do as CSOs, there is a lot of resistance. I told one person, I think if voter education going down to the people, street is actually a waste of time. The best would be, 3 days because you can't tell the person, when you spoil the ballot, you are actually wasting your energy. You are actually making your preferred candidate lose on the street or a combine, like what we mostly do. That can be. Abantu bematabeleland now, I think they want some form of organized meetings and workshops so that they actually learn the tricks and dynamics of issues of elections and governance.